Hi, thanks for checking out our channel here. This is going to be a little show and tell video on this particular unit. This is a Blitzer 50 mile unit, 2 joule. There's also a American Farmworks 60 mile. It's basically the same thing. Zareba and Red Snapper both make a 50 mile unit too. It's a more recent model that's out version wise. This unit's not about 3 years old. It got hit by lightning and that's why it went bad. But you know, parts are pretty readily available for these things, and we stock a bunch of parts for them. So if you got one of these units you need parts for and you're having trouble finding them or whatever, get a hold of us and we'll see if we can help you out with parts and stuff. We'll get you a fair price on parts, and we do put 1.5 year warranties on all the repairs that we do. So we work on every brand. And what's the reading? Yeah, it's a tester. Alright, so I'm going to plug it in, turn it on. Flashing right along there. Put our tester across, if I can find my tester. Now, for whatever reason, the camera isn't picking up the pulse every time, but it is flashing every single time. Yeah. Remember when you drill the holes and drill the corners out of the case? You do the same thing with that one. $7,500 volts. So, you know, for what they are, they're not bad little units. Price-wise, they're pretty reasonable compared to some of the other brands that are out there in the same power range. Well, that's basically it for you on this one. So, I mean, it's kind of showing you that, you know, hey, if you got a Blitzer 25 mile, 50 mile, 100 mile, whatever, you know, we'll work on any of this stuff. So any brand that's like this, you know, Zareba, 5-Shock, Red Snapper, American Farmworks, you know, work on any of this stuff. So if you got one, you're welcome to send it here. Let's take a look at it for you. And until next time, we'll see you guys later on.